welcome to Cheekyricho's banana and ginger smoothie using the Nutri Ninja. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. We're going to take one freckly banana, nice and sweet, probably great for cooking with, way beyond where I want to eat it. It's too ripe for me, but it's perfect with the amount of sweetness in it to flavour our smoothie. So we're just going to pop that into our jug. Now this is already sweetened and there's butter and ginger. It's naked ginger, it's uncrystallised. There it is there. We're just going to pop that straight in as well with a little sprinkle of cinnamon, because ginger, cinnamon and bananas are unbelievably delicious together. Now this is unflavoured whey protein concentrate. A good source of protein. It's got no added sugar, no artificial flavours and colours, and it's got a 4-star health rating, whatever that means. We're using that much, okay? A dessert spoonful. The reason we're using it is because no ice cream went into that. Bananas are going to thicken our smoothie, but this is the magic powder. So in that goes. Does need a good mix. If you haven't got a blender, you're going to have to really give it a thorough shaking. In with some ice now, about a cup or so, and then in with about a half cup of milk, and that is all you need. The ice is going to blitz up and chill this right down. The milk is cold, of course, but the banana wasn't, and this is going to be absolutely divine. Here's our multi-chopper thing blade. Pop that on the top there, and we're just going to do it on the ultra blend function. It doesn't matter, any one of these will work. So just tip it upside down like so and blend away. And we'll want to wobble a little bit to start with, but it copes phenomenally well with these ingredients. Okay, 1 minute later, just unclip it, sit it off the bench. This is what you should have. It's really, really thick. No ice cream went into that, and it's not like slushy, like a slush puppy or anything like that. It's just cold and really creamy and delicious. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, we've just got a hurricane glass there, and I'm going to show you. Don't fill this jug up too much, actually, because it becomes so thick and creamy. Watch this. Left-handed, so this could get ugly. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at the froth on it. Little sprinkle of cinnamon on top. You could with nutmeg if you like, but cinnamon's already in there, so that's going to make it really, really delicious. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. Tweak it to suit yourself. If you're not that big a ginger fan, put more banana. If you want to use almond or coconut milk, that would be great too. But right now, I'm going to enjoy a gorgeous, zingy ginger banana refresher. Thanks for watching. Peppery from the ginger, creamy from, I didn't put any sugar in that. Creamy, it's making my mouth water. Creamy from the banana and that magic powder I told you about. And it tastes like a banana ginger thick shake. The spice in it from the cinnamon is just a right little tweak. It's gorgeous. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho channel, and don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos every week. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Using the Nutri